Hey, welcome to the Mac Corner. Look at all those Macs that we have, and especially iPhones. So now's a good time to refurb your iPhones. Get out of those older iPhone 8s and 10s and 11s. And we have 15, 14s, 13s, 12s, all those. So come on down to the Mac Corner and take a look at our iPhones. We have a 6-month warranty. We'll transfer your data. We will make it a hassle-free purchase. And then same with the Macs. We have this great, really powerful 16-inch M3. I think it's maxed out with memory at 128 gigs. We have 16-inch MacBook Pros. We have 14-inch and 13 inches, 15-inch Airs, 13.6-inch Airs, and 13-inch Airs. Here we have some iMacs, blue. We have a M series blue one. We have a 2020 27-inch, the last of the 27-inch that Apple made. Really powerful at a great price, $999. So when you bring your computer in to upgrade to one of ours, we'll do the data move for you. We will make it look like your old computer and you don't have to do a thing. So come to the Mac Corner and purchase one of our used MacBooks with a year warranty. And if you need an option for credit, you can go for a SEMA. That's found on our website, themaccorner.com. Have a great day.